How to change the application language of the IRCTC Rail Connect. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can change the application language of IRCTC Rail Connect. So the trick is almost similar for both the Android and iOS devices. So just simply follow these easy steps. So the first thing that you will need to do is simply open up your IRCTC Rail Connect application by tapping onto the app icon, and it might produce an alert like this. So in order to dismiss this alert, simply click onto this OK button, and this will lead you towards the login page. So in order to log in, click onto this login button at the top right again, and using your preferred login method, you can either enter your 4-digit login PIN or simply use your biometrics if you have enabled biometrics authentication. Once you will be successfully verified, you will access and log in into your IRCTC Rail Connect homepage, and in this homepage you have this option of more. So simply click onto this more button and it will open some different type of menu. Now in this menu you have this option at the, if you will scroll down at the last, you will have this option that says language. So in order to change the language, simply click onto this language option, and from here you have other languages which currently only includes Hindi. So if you want to switch it to Hindi, you can simply choose Hindi from here and then click onto the accept option and your application will be closed. So in order to apply the changes, you will need to relaunch the applications, and now you can see that the application interface is in Hindi.